Hi, Scott Wilcox here, the Bowtie Realtor, with today's 60-second gardening tip. As you can see, I continue to add paving stones via the process we discussed in my previous video until I completed the path. It's at this point I put fine-grained sand where there were little gaps between each paving stone and swept the sand in. I did this several times until there were no more gaps. Plant some flowers, and voila! A path to be proud of, all made from repurposed paving stones. Thanks for letting me share this with you, and I'll see you next time.